Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be playing SCP 3008, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically it's an SCP called the Endless IKEA. You've got to try and survive nights when the employees come and attack you. And today I'm going to be showing you guys the basics to the game. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Hi guys, so once you get into the game, you should spawn here, and at the top it'll tell you if it's night or daytime. If it's night, you need to go and find somewhere to hide. But to do that, I suggest building a base to protect you from the employees. As you can see, somebody's already started over here. Doesn't actually mean that they're in there, but it's good to like stay safe in here. So a lot of people struggle with is they don't understand how to build on this game. And also, as you can see, I've got an employee chasing after me. During the daytime, when you see them walking around, they won't attack you. Only during the nighttime. Hi guys, so as you can see, it's daytime now. I just had to skip through it because I kept getting killed. But when it turns daytime, the employees won't kill you. So if they come near you, you don't have to worry about them. So as you can see, I camped out in the night in this den. These guys helped me build it. And this is the key to surviving on this game. So to do that, if you want to build a base, you want to find some materials that you want to use. You can use pretty much everything in this game. So I'm just going to build maybe a basic little house. So to do that, you want to hover over an item and hold down E until it turns green. Now you should be able to move it. To rotate it, if you want to rotate it this way, you press X or 1. If you want to rotate it on the Y-axis, you press 2. If you want to rotate it on the Z-axis, you press 3. Oh, and as you can see, guys, an employee's there, but they're not killing me, as it's daytime. So once you've chosen how you wanna rotate it, you just want to move it to wherever the location you want to build your base, and then you just press E to drop it. Sometimes, depending on the item, the employees will be able to break it down, and they can also climb up it. There's 3 different employees on this game. There's normal human sort of figures, like this one. There is a really wide one, and there's also really small, fast ones. The wide ones are the easiest to get away, but the small ones are the hardest. So, as you can see, your energy, the more you run and the more you get attacked, your energy and your health will go down. To get your health up, there's going to be loads of med kits around the store, and once you find one, you just click E to carry it, or to actually consume it, or like store it, you press F. And as you can see, it says new item on the right side, so that means that something else has gone into my inventory. To open your inventory, you want to press G, and this menu will open up. Just to get your health back, you just click on the med kit, interact, and as you can see, I'm at 97 out of 100. I'm just going to take another one, and to get your energy up so you can run away from the employees, is a lot more easier to find than finding med kits. You just need to find any piece of food. Sometimes there's quite a lot of food around. Sometimes you might need to have a bit of a walk, but normally it's not too far away. So if you just come over here, you see more med kits, and I suggest taking what you can. And you can build your base anywhere. One time I built my base in one of these places, and it was really good. it's really easy to make a base out of beds because there's loads of these around here. And if you want it nice, these are quite nice areas to build your base. But as you can see, sometimes there's going to be food like in the cupboards. If you, again, just click F, and it's gone into my inventory. I've got some soda, and then I've got all this water in here. I'm going to take all that. And again, just like the med kits, you want to press interact, and my energy goes up. That's it for this video, guys. I know it was short, but I hope you enjoyed it, and please remember to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.